The commercial is about a gingerbread person who wakes up in this incredible gingerbread world, but it has a twist in its tail at the end.
We, as a well-known baking brand, it makes totally sense that we use ginger as our main character for Christmas.
Stop motion is the perfect animation technique for this job. Something that's real, that you can reach out and touch. If we were doing this in CGI or drawn animation, the end result wouldn't be something that's real, which is very important if you're selling food. And this is all about a gingerbread world, so it has to look delicious, good enough to eat, so to speak.
We aimed to create a magical and delicious wonderland that you want to eat off the screen, but then also to recreate it with the Dr. Oetker product at your home.
You see it all together, you see the way we've treated things like animals moving around the background. They're not fully three-dimensional, they're in low relief, so they're like little biscuits. It's all got that charm of what you'd expect if you were replacing little biscuits to make them hop into life.
Every piece I was thinking like, okay, what this can be like. Maybe the pillow have to be a marshmallow so it can sink in when it's sleeping, and that will be comfortable for real.
In this case, we opted for like loads of double joints on the arms so that the movement was quite fluid. We made this sheet of metal so that when it was cast, the magnets could stick to the surface. He looks delicious. You almost want to bite into his head.